Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check who viewed your TikTok profile. While TikTok doesn't provide a direct feature to see exactly who visited your profile, there are a few ways to track engagement and get an idea of who's watching your content. Let's dive into it. Step 1. Check your profile views for pro accounts. If you have a TikTok Pro account, you can access analytics to see how many people are visiting your profile. Go to your profile and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Creator Tools, then tap on Analytics. In the Profile Views section, you can see how many people visited your profile in the past 7 or 28 days. Note, you won't see the exact usernames of the people who viewed your profile, but you can track overall profile engagement. Step 2. Check video views. While you can't see who's viewed your profile, you can see who's watching your individual videos. Go to a video on your profile. Tap on the eye icon or views count to see how many people have watched your video. TikTok allows you to see likes, comments, and shares on each video, so you can get a sense of who's engaging with your content. Step 3. Use TikTok Live for real-time interaction. If you're going live, you can see the usernames of people who join your stream and interact with you in real time. This can give you a better idea of who's interested in your content. Step 4. Privacy settings. If you're concerned about privacy, you can adjust who can view your profile and videos. Go to Settings Privacy to manage who can see your posts, profile, and videos. That's it. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't offer a way to directly see who's visited your profile, but by tracking your profile and video analytics, you can still get a sense of who's engaging with your content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. See you in the next video.